Hey, it's Donna Morgan, and today I am inspired to talk with you about the event of today, which is that it is considered the 11-11-11. And the reason why today is considered that is because it is November, which is 11, and it's the 11th of November, which is 11, and then 2018 adds up to an 11. So 11, 11, 11. 11 is an extremely powerful number in numerology. It's considered a master number. It's considered to be a number symbolizing illumination, inspiration, intuition, all these I words. I don't know about you, but I actually have been seeing 11:11 on the clock a ton, probably since, if I really think back, the spring. I've also been seeing other numbers like that in a row, but 11:11 I'm pretty sure I've been seeing the most. So me being somebody who likes to look at signs, I decided that I would talk about the 11:11 today, 11-11-11 actually today. And it all started when on my Instagram story, every day I do something called the Tarot Mojo of the day. I am not a tarot reader, but I have utilized tarot in my life since I was about 18 years old. Went to school at University of Colorado at Boulder from Northwest New Jersey, was walking on the Pearl Street Mall, and a tarot reader was sitting there on the mall in front of a metaphysical bookstore called The Lighthouse, which is still there. And I walked up with a friend and sat down and did my first tarot reading and walked inside and bought my first tarot deck. And it kind of all went from there, that I continued to utilize tarot in my own life with my kids, my hubby, and also it's turned out with some of my clients. As I've gotten more comfortable sharing that, yeah, I'm willing to do that. But I look at it as an amazing sign, information, message for me. And at the beginning of every day for Instagram and myself, I pull a card of the day. I call it the Tarot Mojo of the day. And for today, early this morning, I pulled the Death card, which is unbelievably perfect for this day. And to tell you the truth, I forgot that today was the 11th of November and kind of a special day in the cosmos. But the Death card is about letting go of all that isn't really serving you in order to manifest something new. A lot of times when we are really, really intending to manifest something new in our lives and we're feeling stuck and it's not really happening, and we're wondering why, what's going on. The trick that I have found, and it's oh so simple, and you probably already know it, is to look at what's going on in your life that may not be working, blocking whatever it is that you want to create that's new. Thus, the Death card is telling us today, don't forget, on 11/11, a day of major manifestation, a great day to set intentions, to manifest things out of thin air, literally, to remember to also let go intentionally of anything that may not be serving you anymore. People, circumstances, maybe a job, I don't know what it is for you, or a way of being, a habit, a belief, thoughts that you can't seem to let go of that aren't serving you. Whatever it is, it's a great day to also be looking at that which you want to let go. And so what I did after I saw the Death card, wonderful reminder, was I wrote down everything that's kind of in my to do, my mojo list around what it is that I want to manifest right now. And then I kind of went through each one and looked at, okay, do I have any blocks from creating this? Do I have any feelings that come up or thoughts where I don't really believe I can manifest this? I just kind of went through and looked at each one honestly, and if there was something that came up as a block, I wrote that down. Again, something to let go of, whether it's a person, place, or thing, or thought, or emotion. And then, of course, you know me, I did Ho'oponopono on that. I just kind of created a list, and of all the things that I need to let go of, that I believe I need to let go of, in order to manifest that which I desire at the moment. And I did a bunch of Ho'oponopono around it. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Basically, I took whatever it was, whether it be a person, place, thing, belief, whatever it was, and I said the mantra around it, in conjunction with what it was that I was looking to manifest. So that's something that you could do today as well. It might be powerful for you too. The thing is that a lot of times we write down what it is that we are wanting to manifest in our lives, and we don't take a look at what might be a block kind of ahead of time. I like to look at what could be a block ahead of time, so that, well, the other thing that helps me with is this really something I want to manifest? Does this really fit my mojo? Is this really me? Going through this process helps you to determine that, because the truth is that if you are clear, if you are in your mojo, your intentions should manifest at warped speed, if not instantly, because we live in a quantum universe where that is literally possible. That is possible. And I realize some things don't manifest quite that fast because of our 3D realm that we live in, and some steps that may need to be taken or whatever. But it can be a lot quicker than we think, if not instant, when we are clear, when we are sure, when we feel it. It's totally our mojo. We don't have any blocks around it. It feels like a go. So today is a great day on 11/11, which 11/11/11, which is a day of illumination and inspiration to get in touch with the divinity inside of you. What are you inspired to do with your life right now? The point is to be having fun. The point is to be loving your life. I say that all the time. And so what would it take for you to love your life? That would be a wonderful thing for you to write down as your intention or intentions. There may be several. And then again, to remember that the Death card came in the play today as a reminder in my Tarot Mojo of the Day for Instagram. And what a great reminder, really. It's like the Death card is all about birth too, but it's like, hey, what do you need to shed? Come on, people. You can't just keep accumulating. You got to live in the same consciousness as the planet we live on. And the planet we live on, things grow, things die away, they grow, they die away, right? So that's the vibe we live in. We have to be willing to also let go as well. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you soon.